Hello everyone, welcome to session 20 of SQL. Today we will see self-join in SQL. Okay, and in next sessions we will see CTE, common table expression. Okay, comment after CTE, which is common table expression, our entire course, SQL course will be completed. Okay, and once our course is completed, we will go for project in SQL in the final. And after the project, I will have some practice questions on all the topics we have covered so far. Okay, so in order to demo this self-join, I have created this employees to table, and these are the insert scripts, okay, which I will be sharing in the description of the video. Okay, so whatever DDLs are there, this is called DDLs. Okay, so whatever DDLs are there, I will always be sharing in the description of the video. You can go over there and run this directly and practice these joins. Okay, so let me tell you what self-join is. Okay, so I have already created this employees to table and I have run those insert scripts also. So we have employee ID, employee name, manager ID over here. Okay, so self-join means self-join is used to compare the records within a table. Okay, it is not like left join, right join, and inner join. Okay, they are used between the tables, means between two tables or three tables, or you can use four tables also in order to join them together. But self-join is used only within a table. Okay, means it is used to compare the data within its table and then get the output as per the requirement. Okay, let's go through one example. Let's see an example first. Okay, I have two examples for this. So let's go through first example. Okay, I will write this example over here. Write this here. It's better to be here. Okay. And okay. So what this question says is, suppose you have an employee database with a table named employee 2. Okay, employees 2. That represents a company hierarchy. Okay. So each employee has an ID, a name. Okay, each employee has an ID, a name, one moment, and a reference to their manager's ID. Okay, what you have to do is you want to find the employees and their managers. Means you don't want all the details. You want to find the employees and their managers over here. Means you want the employee's name and their manager's name. Okay, so what do we have? We have employee ID, we have employee name, and we have manager ID. Okay, if you closely observe this table, you can see that these employees are also, some of these employees are manager. Correct? See, if you see manager ID is 1, 2, 1 and 2 are the manager IDs. Means one employee ID is a manager and 2 employee ID is a manager. Means John and Elias are manager. So we want to display the employees and their manager. But you can see here that John do not have any manager. So he is the highest authority in the hierarchy, company's hierarchy. Okay. So let's solve this question. Let's solve this question using self-join. Okay. So what I will do in self-join, what you have to do, we have table this, right? We have employees to table, correct? We have employees to table. Okay. Now I will divide this table. I will divide this table into two temporary tables. Okay. You have to do this if you have to compare the records within a table. Okay. You have to always do this. See, what I will do, I will divide this employees 2 as E1. One table I will make as E1 and employees 2, I will make it as E2. Okay. So what I have done is, this is our main table, employees 2. And I have divided this table into two temporary tables. One is called E1 and other is called E2. Okay. Now what I will do, since they want to find the employees and their managers, means they want all the employees and only their respective managers. Okay, means they want employees here and managers here, managers name. Means they want employee name and manager name here, right? This is what they want in the output. Okay, so what we can do is, what I will do, I will select, okay, I will write here is as employee name. What is the employee ID? See, employee name and manager ID, no, but we want employee name and manager name, right? So I will take this employee name, okay, I will comma, I will write this as E1, take it from E1 table, means this E1 employee E1 table, temporary table 1, okay, and I will take manager name. You want manager name, no? See what I am doing, I am just putting it as manager name here, okay. So I will write here it as, not write this, okay. What I will do, I will copy this and I will write it here. E2 dot employee name means I am taking employee name from E1 table and employee name from E2 table also. They are coming from this table only, okay. But I will mark this alias name as employee name, and I will mark this as manager name. So whatever coming from E1 table will act as a employee name, will act as an employee, and whatever coming from E2, I want it as a manager. Okay, I will take employees from E1 table and I will take managers from E2 table. Okay, so I will write here from employees, okay, from employees E1. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to do a join between this table, because we have divided the original table into two, right, E1 and E2. So we have to join them also. So since we have seen this in the join sessions, okay, SQL joins, left join, right join, inner join, we have seen. So we will use that concept here. Now we want all the employees and their managers. Since we want all the employees, we are using this as a left side table. So I will use left join here. Okay, and what I will do, left join employees E2. I will write it as employees 2 because our original table is employees 2, right? See, what I'm doing is I'm taking it as left side table, and E2 I'm taking as a right side table. So I want all the employee details, and from E2 I want only the managers. Now there is an important concept here. On what basis are you going to join them, right? So you can, if you observe this table carefully, you can see that employee IDs have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 records, and manager ID has 1, 2. So we can use employee ID and manager ID to join them, because we are taking manager name from E2 table and employee's name from E1 table. So if you joined 1 and 1, like employee ID and manager ID, then you will get this output after joining, right? See, on E1 dot manager ID, we have manager ID in the main table, right? See, manager ID. I will join this manager ID with employee ID equal to E2 dot employee ID. Okay. Now see what I have done. I have selected employee name from E1. I have given alias name as employee name. I have taken employee name from E2, but I have given this as manager name from the same table. Because some of the employees are manager also, and all are employees, but some of them are managers also. Correct? So, and I've used this E1 on the left side because we want all the employee names. Correct? We have to extract all the employees' names. Managers' names are different. Like there are only 2 managers we have seen here. So I'm doing a left join with employees E2 on E1 dot manager ID equal to E2 dot employee ID. Now see what will be the output of this query. See, you have got all the employees, all the 5 employees and their manager names. So Alice manager is John, Sarah manager is John, Bob Alice, Eva Alice, and John has no manager. We have seen in the main table also that John has no manager. He is the highest authority in the table, in the company, right? So depending on our original table, our output is very correct, because we are getting all the employee details, and see, John and Alice are only the managers over here, and John do not have any manager assigned to him because he is the highest authority. Now the question here is like, why did we took the employee name from E1, right? Then why didn't we use E1.employee ID? What will happen if we use E1.employee ID? Right? See what this question is saying. What this join is saying is, this is what you need to understand and apply the logic, okay? This is bit confusing, but this is what you can validate with your original table also, whether you're getting the correct answer or not yet. Right? See, now what does this mean is, I want only the employee ID from E2, or I want only the employee name from E2, since we have taken the employee name from E2, right? So I want only the employee name from E2 whose manager, who are equal to manager ID, who are managers. I want only the employees from E2 who are managers in E1 table, right? See, I will show you the other way also. What other way says? What will happen if I use this employee ID here? If I use this here, E1.employee ID and E2.manager ID, see what will happen. So what you are saying now is, you are saying that I want the manager, only the manager IDs from E2, E1. I want only the managers from E1. This is what you are saying after joining this. Because you are telling E1.employee ID equal to E2.manager ID. See what will happen after this. See what has happened? This is double. You have got 7 employees. We don't have 7 employees. This is duplicated. See, John is duplicated. We have only 5 employees here as per the original table. See, we have only 5 employees. And some of these employees are manager. Means only employee ID 1 and 2 are managers. Means Alice and John. Right? So now see, you have got the employee's name in the manager's name column. Understood? See, this is the difference. When you mess up with the joining, it will give you wrong answers. Okay, it will give you very wrong answers. So this is correct. This query says that you are in this query. Okay, I will write in this query. In this query, you are associating, okay, you are associating employees with their managers, okay, based on manager ID. Based on manager ID. So in this query, based on manager ID from E1, you are associating the employees with their manager. So this is the meaning of this query. Okay. And this query says, the second query says, in this query, you are associating employees with their manager based on employee ID, which is incorrect. You cannot assign managers to their employees based on the employee ID. You have to assign the employees with their managers based on the manager ID. So this is the incorrect query. Okay. This is incorrect query. This is not the correct query. Okay. I will mark this as incorrect. Incorrect query. Okay. This is correct query. In order to make you understand it better, let's take one more example. Okay, let's take another example. So this is self-join. Okay, you have to understand, you have to validate. See, this is giving you the correct answer. Manager names and only the 5 employees. However, this is giving you the incorrect answer here. See, you are getting employee, all the employees name. Bob, Eva, and Sarah are not the managers. See, only 1 and 2. Bob, Eva, and Sarah are like 3, 4, 5 employee ID. So you are not having any, they are not the managers. Okay, let's go to another example. Okay, it's the same example, but the records are different so that you will understand it in a better way. Okay, so I will take this example, example 2. I will take this question and I will write it here. So what I will do, okay, this is our example 2. So what in this example says, let's create a table for an organization structure where employees report to their employees, where employees report to their 2 other employees. Sorry, other employees means they are the managers or leads, correct? And we want to find who reports to whom at various organization levels. So it is same question, just they have given it in a different way. So they are saying that where employees report to other employees, these can be managers or tech leads. Okay, and we want to find out who reports to whom at various organization level, right? So in order to demo this, what I have done, I have created an organization table, which will have employee ID, employee name, and manager ID, same. Okay, but the records will be different. So I have already ran this script. Okay, I have already ran this script, if you can see. Okay, I will do select star from organization. I will share you this also in the description of the video. The scripts, both the scripts will be shared in the description of the video. And if you want, I will share the questions also. Okay, so let's go query this table, organization table. See, here we have 10 employee ID. In employee name, see, CEO is also an employee. Manager is also one of the employee only, but he is at the highest level. Okay, see, CEO doesn't have any manager ID, means he reports to no one. Everyone reports to him only through these managers or team leads, right? So CEO do not report to anyone, and these are managers, employees. So we want to find out who reports to whom. Okay, so we have 10 records. We will use the same concept we have done here. Okay, so what I will do, we have organization table, right? Organization table. Okay, I will divide them into two. So I will divide organization table into two. Okay, I will make it as one as employee E, and second I will make it as organization M. This will be employee, and I will take managers or others from here, from M. So I am dividing this organization table into E and M, two temporary tables. Okay, so now what I will do, I will select what we have here. See, we have employee name without underscore, right? So what I will do, I will select employee from E1 table, okay, from this table. Okay, so I will select E dot employee name as employee name. I will write in order to, I will write underscore also. Okay, and M dot employee name, because we have employee name in the table, right? You can give any alias name. So I want to extract managers or highest authority from organization M table. So I will write here it as manager name or reporting name. Reporting person I will write here. Reporting person. Because they want to find out who reports to whom at various organizations level. So I am taking from employee name. We have reporting persons also, and we have employee name also. Right? This table contains both manager, CEO, all the employees. Okay. So now I will write from organization E. I will take it as a left side table because I want all the employees. So that's why I'm taking organization E table as left side table. And I will do a left join. And I will join it with organization M. We have created two temporary tables, right? On E dot, see, again you have to make it correct, okay? We have to write E dot manage, what it is here, manager ID. See, manager ID, because we have to associate employees depending on their manager ID only. So you have to take managers from this table only, left side table. Then only they will understand that we are associating it correctly with their employees. See, manager ID equal to M dot employee ID. Employee ID, right? See, so we have 8 only. See, 1, 2, 5, 8 are the managers. So they will be getting as a, we are taking it from second table. And we are joining it only the manager ID. from E table. So what we are telling, we are extracting only the employees who are managers from this table, from organization in table, and we are extracting all from E table, all the employees. Now let's run this query. What it is saying, table or view does not exist, means the spelling could be different here. Organization. Okay, let's see. Organization, okay, here it has become organization. Here also same thing. So it is organization, right? So spelling was wrong. That's why it was saying the table or view does not exist. Now, if you run this, see, you can see here that you are getting 10 employees correctly, and you are getting reporting person also here. See, CEO do not have anything, any person reporting on you. See, same as here. CEO do not have anyone reporting. But if you can see that all the managers are reporting to CEO, and all the employees A, B, and C are employees to manager A, B, and C respectively. Okay, means your query is correct and you are joining them on correct. You are doing the correct joins. Same thing will happen if you reverse this. We have seen that in the first example. Okay, and why we are using left join? If you use here inner join, see what will happen. You will get only the match records. Only the match records. Means you are getting only 9 employees because they are matching with CEO and managers only. This is also correct. This is also correct, but not as per this question. Not as per this question. They are saying, we want all the employees, where employees report to other employees. All the employees, right? They are not saying we want only the matching records, or like only the employees who are reporting to so and so managers. Correct? So that's why we use left join. See, here one of the employees missing, right? I think which is missing here, A1, A2 we have. See, B1, B2 we have, C1, C2 we have here. A1, A2 also we have. Which is missing here? Missing is CEO. CEO is also one of the employee, right? So why is not in the employee name? So we will see that he reports to no one. So this is correct left join. That's why we are using left join, so that this will also come and it will be understand that CEO reports to no person. Reporting person is null over here. Okay, understood? So this is about self joining. Okay. I've understood this self join. I have taken 2 examples. They were quite similar, but the question was in a twisted way. Okay, so you have to practice and understand how you can validate the answers and understand whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, and you have understood the importance of using the joins correctly, whether you have to use left join or inner join, and the join conditions are also important. Okay, so you have to practice this in order to understand this self join. Okay, so this is all for today. See you in the next session. Thank you.